Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain the different operating systems which are supported by Selenium. What are the different operating systems that are supported by Selenium? Selenium supports the top three popular, widely used operating systems that are there in the market. What are they? Windows is one of them. Second one is Linux. Third one is Mac. These are the top three widely used and popular operating systems which are used in the market. All these three operating systems are supported by the Selenium test automation tool. How can I confirm that Selenium supports all these three operating systems which are popular and widely used in the market? To confirm that, we can go to the official website of Selenium. So I'll be opening the browser. In that browser, I'll be going or taking you to the official website of Selenium. Once I land on the official website of Selenium, I'm going to select downloads option. Once I go to the downloads page, I'll scroll down until I see something known as operating systems. I'll click on this plus option on this button. Now you can see the operating systems which are supported by the Selenium test automation tool. Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux OS. These are the top three popular and widely used operating systems that are there in the market and are supported by the Selenium test automation tool, hereby confirmed. Now, I would like to give a small demo of how Selenium supports these operating systems. Okay, so for that, I'll take you to this editor and where we have this sample Selenium automation code, and my operating system is which OS? Windows 11 OS. Okay. So I'm going to run this automation code on this Windows machine. If I run this code, you don't have to go with the technicals, guys. This is just a demo. You have to act like a audience in the theater. You see, I'm able to run the Selenium automation code in which OS? Windows OS. Okay. Hence by proved. So I'll be explaining this technical concepts in the upcoming session, guys. Till then, I am using only to prove my point that Selenium supports Windows OS, which is already done. Similarly, you can also run your Selenium automation code in Linux OS containing machine, and also you can run the Selenium automation code in Mac OS containing machine also. I cannot demonstrate in Linux and Mac because I only have Windows with me, a machine having Windows OS with me. So if you have Linux or Mac OS containing machine, you can actually run the Selenium automation scripts on those OS containing machines also. So that's how Selenium supports all the three or the top three popular and widely used OS that are there in the market. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.